I'm outside, yeah, waiting by the curb, too upset to drive.
Alright, y'all, so it is the next day. I did not hardly do no filming yesterday. That's all I did yesterday, what you saw in the beginning. So I'm in between if I'm gonna give y'all this video before January. Because I got to thinking, like, wait a minute, chick, you said you're gonna do only live screens. You ain't gonna be able to do only live screens. You may have to go ahead and put up some video. Either way, whichever way I do, it is fine, okay? I don't know, y'all. I feel one way one minute, the next minute I'm like, wait a minute, honey, you can't stop, you can't stop, you can't stop, you can't stop. Rest a little bit and get back to it. And taking off this whole month, I don't know, that's just not me. So either way it go, I'll figure it out. Y'all will know if y'all get this video. It is what it is. But y'all, it's about to rain. No, it is raining. It's all nasty out, cloudy, all that good stuff. I don't know if y'all can see behind me, but it's cloudy and all that. So I'm in the greenhouse, so I got a couple things I need to go ahead and do. One being, if y'all was in that live stream that I did and told y'all that when I forgot to heat up my this greenhouse and we got that frost, it took out my banana plant. So that's what I'm finna try to save and do now. So let's go ahead and see what we can do with it. All right, y'all, so this is my banana plant. For those of you that did not see, y'all, she is in bad shape, so I'm gonna go ahead and this is my Truly Tiny. She was doing so good. I hope I can save her. So I think I'm gonna take her inside. I'm about to try to clean her up, get this off in her, and I'm just gonna take it inside. This is gonna be one of them that's gotta be delicate. I gotta treat delicate, okay? So I'm gonna leave it right here. How this tripod, I want to be on its own thing. I'm gonna put her right here while I fix this. There we go. And I'm gonna put her in something small. I had some. What did I do with them? Let me get my little small. Oh, right here. I'm gonna put her in one of these. This is why it's important to keep your things. I'm gonna put her in one of those. I got some soil right here. So y'all, I like being out here in this greenhouse when it's all, you know, rainy and stuff. It's warm. It's 78 degrees. But yeah, so let me see where my cutter's at. Right here. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cut the dead. I hope I'm not doing, I mean, this is, I go with the flow. I mean, it's either she already dead or I'm gonna be able to save her. I don't know, but we're gonna try to see. Okay, we're gonna try to see. So this is what she looking like. Go ahead and set her off in there. Cover her with some dirt and hope I can bring her back. It was that frost. Now we ain't supposed to be cold, but I think I'm still gonna take her in the house. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and take her in the house. Where's my, let me get my diatomaceous earth for anything that's in this soil before I take her in the house. And get her patted down really good, just like that. Let me get my diatomaceous earth. Alright, y'all, so I got my diatomaceous earth. So I'm just sprinkling this around for any bugs that may be. Well, dang, I should have wetted it first, but it'll be alright. Let me go ahead and do that. So I bought my thing out here, so I have water on hand. the thing I had in the garage, y'all. So I have water on hand. I ain't gotta bother nobody for no water. Yes. So that is all right there. Bring right down. I should have did this before, but it's all right. So let me go ahead and water this in. Just want to water it a little bit. I don't have nothing under there to catch this water, so I ain't trying to do it too much until I get it in the house and get I should have did it in my little white ones that's got the salsa. That'll be all right. All right, let me just add some more. It's perfectly fine. Once it dries, it's still working, so I ain't worried about that. This just food grade diatomaceous earth, and it works good on my stuff. Far as making sure those gnats and stuff. That down here. And also what I'm gonna do, since I'm taking it inside, guys saw my little the little kit thing that I got from Girlfriend. I'm gonna use one of the things that come with it to help catch these gnats and stuff. But I'm not gonna have it the way they had it. I should have cut this before, but oh, that's fine. And that way I get more use out of it. So I'm gonna put one right here and stick it right here, just like that. Then I'm just gonna stick it right here. That's to catch any gnats or anything like that. And I'm gonna take her in the house and see if I can get her going again. I hope she ain't completely gone. I hope she not. Okay, y'all, so next what y'all finna see me do, I gotta go ahead, see, like, this one is limp. I gotta go ahead and transplant my loofah seeds and my crystal apple cucumbers. I need to go ahead and get them out of here so I can get most of these done. So that's what y'all about to see me doing, so I can get this back inside.
I'm a little bit naughty, I'm a little bit too consumed, but every part of my body is telling me to run away from you. Come a little bit closer, yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer, yeah. You're a little bit crazy. It's been days, but you never change. What's love got to do with it? He comes around, better knock that stuff down. Come a little bit closer, yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer, yeah. To all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. You're a little bit selfish. You get mad every time you lose. You can't take me with you. I'm scared you're gonna blow your fuse. Come a little.
Alright, y'all, so it's done got late for me, so I'm gonna go ahead and close this up and take this back inside. Alright, let's see. Take this back inside. Alright. This is what I did for my loofahs. I went on and trellised it so I can hopefully have my loofahs growing right there. They've been transplanted and watered. I'm gonna take this back inside right here, I had my son to bring this in tomorrow. I will go ahead and put my crystal apple, plant my crystal apples in here. I gotta work on some trellises for these. I'll do this tomorrow for my peas. I need to work on a trellis type deal, something easy, simple, maybe some sticks or something to let them wrap around and go up. Probably some bamboo sticks, but I'll do that tomorrow and, you know, get a lot going. So I gotta take this back in, put it back under the light. They've been watered and everything, so yeah.